In this video, I'm going to show you how to brighten up your video in Premiere Pro. First, drag and drop your footage into the timeline. This will place your video in the project. Now, go to your project panel and click on the New Item icon. From the options, we're going to create an adjustment layer. Once the adjustment layer window pops up, just click OK. Next, grab the adjustment layer you just created and drag it into Video Track 2, placing it directly above your footage. Once that's done, click on the adjustment layer to make sure it's selected. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for an effect called Lighting Effects. Drag and drop this effect onto the adjustment layer. Initially, you'll notice a spotlight effect appears on your video. That's not what we want, so let's fix it. Go to the Effect Controls panel and under Lighting Effects, click on Light 1. You'll see a small triangle next to it. Click on that to expand the settings. Now, change the light type from Spotlight to Directional. As you can see, your video is already much brighter. You can check the difference by toggling the effect on and off. Now, let's fine-tune the brightness. Under the lighting effects, adjust the intensity slider. If you want the video darker, you can lower the intensity. For brighter footage, increase the intensity. If your video is really dark, you can go all the way up to 100, but play around with the setting until it looks just right. If your video still doesn't have enough contrast, here's an optional step. In the Effects panel, search for Brightness and Contrast. Drag and drop this effect onto the adjustment layer as well. Now, under Effect Controls, increase the contrast just a little bit to make the image pop more. You can also adjust the brightness to balance the overall look, and that's it. Your video should now look brighter and more balanced. Thanks for watching.